unboxing to all. A very merry unboxing to you. Unboxing is the thing that makes all dreams come true. A very merry unboxing, a very merry unboxing, a very merry unboxing to all. Hello everybody, it's Joshua. I was gonna have my dad with me, but he has a migraine and those really hurt, but he is going to be out of this video. Oh, hi Tanner. So Tanner's gonna join me.
I just wanted to know if I could show them the silly putty and how good the magnet's getting eaten.
Oh yeah, you can
by the putty. How it started in the other video?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh. It's eating it, but
the putty's almost gone. I mean, this is almost gone.
What?
Magnet's almost gone, isn't it?
I know. Yeah. Well, on this side, it's almost gone. But on this side, it's all the way up.
Yeah. I have this box to put all the pieces in. So first we're gonna open bag number 1. So take it out, and there's a little bag in here. So first I'm gonna dump this out. Oh, there are 2 little bags. Oh, there's one injured helmet. So there's an Android helmet because there's an Android button. So I'm gonna build the figures. Show you guys the figures. So got Cole and Jay already built. I'll show you them in a little bit. But first I need to make the Ninjoid. So I need to find the Ninjoid head before I show you the minifigs. Nin head. Droid head, where are you, droid head? I don't know where the droid head is. Oh, found it. And get the helmet. And now I'm going to show you the figures. So let me just get this little piece so I can show you them. I'm going to make like a little stand to show them to you. So this is the Ninjoid. He has some really good detailing. He doesn't have a separate face. And I didn't show minifigures that much in my Christmas haul video. And this is on Christmas Day. If you're watching it on Christmas Day, Merry Christmas. If you're watching it some other day, then I hope you're having a good day because everyone should have a good day. So this is Jay, no separate face. He looks pretty cool. So he's the Master of Lightning in the Ninjago Masters of Spinjitzu. So now I have Cole, Master of Earth, and he is really cool. So he's the Master of Earth, like I mentioned, back front. So that's it for Cole. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start building, and then I'll come back with the finished product. So I'll see you when the finished product is done. So see you in a second. So this is the finished product. It took me overnight to build, and so this is the next day. And because I was building, then I had to go to sleep, and then I needed help. So then the next morning, my dad woke up and helped me because last night he had a migraine, so he helped me build this. And now here's the finished product. First I'm gonna start out with Cole in his suit. And when I was building, for some reason, I decided to pick Cole, and Cole was actually bag 1, so how lucky I am. And here's Cole. He's in his little mech suit. He goes slice, slice, slice. There's some stickers on him. This one says number 5. This one has some symbols on it. This has like an arrow, and then that one has the earth symbol. So I've done some poses with him like this, and this, and like this, like like he's dancing, like, oh yeah, I'm dancing, it's super cool because I love dancing. And then like this, he can like do a cartwheel. So you can be like, whoop. And you can also do the splits. Ah! So that is Cole. Walk, 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 walk. I mean, I'm going right here. You can also, one of the play features is you can open this and take Cole out, then set him back in and close that. So open it and close it. And another play feature with Cole and Jay is you can connect them, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm not even gonna attempt it. I've attempted it before. Now this is Jay's little speeder. I mean, this does not go down when Jay's in it, and I showed you the minifigs at the beginning, but if you take Jay out, it closes perfectly. So as you can see right here, these can open up like that and close up like that. I think this is how you put Cole on, but I'm not gonna try that. And another play feature is the thing goes open and close. I'm gonna show you all the Ninjago things. So one of the play features is this. So now I'm gonna sit Jay back in here. Boom, boom, boom. Now here is the turret and Ninjoid. So the turret can shoot around and the Ninjoid controls it. And it also has this. So, haha, I have your blade. Oh no, my tire is flat. Don't worry, I'll come save you. Boom! You'll never defeat me. I am still alive. I am still... Yes. Now, dun, 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 dun. Ow! Oh! Say goodbye, everyone. Say goodbye, Legos. Bye. 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 So, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe right over here. And that was this video. So again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. It's right here today. So yeah, bye.